Adding an Ads.txt file to your Wix website is a straightforward process that helps prevent unauthorized parties from selling your ad inventory. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to add an Ads.txt file in Wix. First, you need to understand what an Ads.txt file is. An Ads.txt file is a text file that contains a list of authorized sellers of your ad inventory. This file is used by advertisers and ad exchanges to verify the authenticity of ad inventory. To add an Ads.txt file to your Wix website, you need to create the file first. The file should contain the following information: the domain name of the seller, the publisher ID, the type of relationship between the seller and the publisher, and the certification ID of the seller. Once you have created the Ads.txt file, you need to upload it to your Wix website. To do this, log in to your Wix account and go to the Settings menu. Click on the Advanced options and then click on Custom Domains. Next, click on the three dots next to your domain name and select Edit DNS. Click on the Add a New Record button and select TXT from the drop-down menu. In the name field, enter ads, and in the value field, paste the contents of your Ads.txt file. After adding the Ads.txt file to your Wix website, make sure to test it to ensure it is working correctly. You can test the file by visiting your website and adding /ads.txt to the end of the URL. If the file is working correctly, you should see the contents of the Ads.txt file. In conclusion, adding an Ads.txt file to your Wix website is an important step in protecting your ad inventory and preventing unauthorized parties from selling your ads. By following these steps, you can easily add an Ads.txt file to your Wix website and ensure that your ad inventory is secure.